If we talk about the types of motion, there are total three types of motion: translatory motion. It is also known as a linear motion, circulatory motion, circular motion, and zigzag motion. Both motion comes in a translatory motion. Means translatory motion is basically anything that is moving in a straight line. That is known as the straight line. That is not necessary that it should be like this, a straight line. It can be in a circular straight line, it can be in zigzag, but it should be a linear motion. That, for example, if a body is moving in a circular motion, so it will be known as a circular motion. And if a body is moving in a zigzag motion, like moving zigzag but linearly, that is known as zigzag motion. Second motion we are having, that is rotatory motion. Rotatory motion, that anything that is moving in its fixed direction, that is known as rotatory motion. Means moving in a fixed direction, moving but in a fixed direction. For example, a fan is moving but in its own direction. It is not changing its position, but it is moving in its fixed direction. That is known as fixed position, that is known as rotatory motion. Third one we are having, that is vibratory motion. Vibratory motion is also known as oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is basically when a the body moves to and fro motion in its mean position, is known as vibratory motion. Means to and fro means that backward and forward movement but in its constant position, that is known as vibratory motion. That if a body is moving backward and forward but in its constant position, that is known as vibratory motion. We have discussed the motion, the rest in motion, the types of motion, and the relative motion. Now we'll be discussing about the distance and displacement.